Welcome to my vlog. We are now in the Paradise Garden, guys, Convention Center. So, ito na kami. Itong pinaka lumang hotel dito sa Boracay. Pero, napakalapad ng kanilang lugar. Yan guys, oh. Yan. Wow. Enter na kami ng lobby. So, ayan. Ito yung nakikita namin sa, ano, ayan, napaka maaliwalas. So, we are now in the Infinity Garden, in the area. So, we're about to approach the check-in muna tayo. Hello, good morning. You're in my vlog. Okay, we'd like to have our check-in. Okay guys, dalawa lang. Ito yung dinok ko while having my so guys, so I would like you to tour in the receiving area here in the Paradise Garden. So napaka-cozy siya. So yung anak ko, nag-fill in siya ng commitment. So nagdala ako ng malaki-laki na bag kasi natukunyat lang kami guys. Pero kung ako nag-drive, of course, kahit anong bagahe, dalagay mo sa gamit mo.